Hello guys! Today we're going to learn how to make an interlock system using logic gates. For 2 rooms, our interlock system need open door sensor for each door, buttons to active magnet lock door, and to open the doors the magnet lock. Also, we put an indicator to tell that you can use the button to open the door. So, this is our first condition. All doors closed. Now, when someone pushes the button and opens the door, the sensor will be activated, and they won't be able to open the next door until the first one is closed. When he closes the first door, the sensor will be deactivated, and now he can use the button to open the next door. Just like with the second door, the first one can't be opened until the second door is closed, in case he wants to go back. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.